Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, I'm going to make a program which take a user input in Java. Okay, I will write code for each data type that is famous, like a integer, double, float, long, string, line, or boolean. You can say. Okay, so I'm going to open Visual Studio Code for doing this. Okay, you can open the same or you can open uh, online Java compiler, and it is my kindly request to you all, do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay, so I'm going to open it now. Just try it with me. So I'm going to make a file first. Okay, so what I need to write here, input taking input dot java. Okay, i'm I need to write here first, uh, main method, that is, what is the shortcut key to write main method in the Visual Studio Code, that is psvm, and enter public static void main string args or start of curly braces. Now I'm going to import a scanner class for taking user input. Okay, so in a scanner, so I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, now I need to make what scanner is should be capital. Okay, now I need to make object of this scanner class. A scanner is the object, and new scanner scanner and system dot in. Okay, now i'm I need to write south, means I am talking about, uh, I am taking first string. Okay, so I need to write here enter. I'm i'm taking a reference like students. What uh, what how I'm taking the reference, what is the student name, what is the student roll number, it is in the it is in the integer. What is the marks of the student, it will be in the uh, float. And what is the uh, uh, mobile number of the student, it will be in long. And what is the full name of a student, it will be in uh, line. Okay, so like this, so that we feel easy to enter the input. Okay, enter student, enter your name. Okay, it will be string. Okay, or you can say like single word string or single word. Okay, to take single word, I need to write here just string s is equals to sc dot next only. Okay, and then this one. And now I'm entering what is your roll number. So I need to write here enter enter your roll number. It will be in integer. integer Okay, so I need to take int n is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, done. Now uh, I am taking boolean. Okay, input. So I need to write here shout, are you a student? Is in boolean. Okay, it will say yes or no. So I need to take boolean b is equals to sc dot next boolean boolean. Okay, done. Now I am taking in double. Okay, so I am taking south. I am writing south here. Ln should be removed so that output statement will look clear. And what is the here? Enter your enter your uh, pin code. Pin code, it will be in double. Okay, now I need to take it as double double d is equal to sc dot next double. Okay, done. Now I am taking south, remove this ln. What it should be here? I am taking mobile number, so I need to write here enter your mobile number. Okay, I am taking it in long. Okay, so I need to give a space here, and I need to write here long equals to sc dot next long. Okay, okay. Now I have taken single word like a string, uh, integer. Now I'm taking character. So what I need to write here? South, enter your grade. Okay, so I need to write here what grade, it will be in character. Okay, so I need to write here char c is equals to sc dot next, and then char at 0. What should be here? Capital. Sc dot next here should be this one, and I need to remove c. Okay, and then here c, small c will be there. Okay, now I need to write out enter your marks. I need to take it in string, so I need to write enter your marks. Okay, marks will be in float. Okay, so now I need to remove this ln so that when I enter the input, it will in after the it will come after the what, after the text. Okay, so I need to write here is what I need to write float f is equals to sc dot next float. Okay, now I need to take what south yani enter enter your enter your full name. Full name. It will be in line. Okay. To take line, we need to write first what is c dot next line. I will say why I write first is c dot next line. When I write uh, string l is equals to sc dot next line. Okay, when I write this sc dot next line, okay, it should, okay, okay. When I write this, uh, then it when I write a next dot, when I write sc dot next line, uh, it will left the process in buffer. Means when I call after the when I call the output statement, it will show blank space. It will not show anything. Okay, so that's to remove, to clear, to clear buffer, we write first this line, this. Okay, now I am going to call it all. I need to display it all, so I need to write here I am entering. Okay, and then I am writing shout you have entered 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 you have entered out have entered your name, so I need to write first control C, and here I need to write control V, your name. It here should be S. It will be in string, so I am write here string. Enter your roll number, so I need to copy of it to display this. Control C and then control V. Okay, and here I need to write just N, and then I need to write shout, and then after the roll number, what is the next? Are you a student? It will say yes, then it will print yes. So I need to write B, and then I'm taking pin code in double, so I need to write control C, enter, okay, roll number na, and then I need to write shout control V, your pin code is D, and then I need to write shout after the pin code what it is, mobile number, control C and then control V. Your mobile number is what? L, means it will in long. Okay, and next one is grade. It will be in character, so I need to copy of it Control C, and then out, Control G, one space is there, and then I need to write C, then south. What I need to write after the character, I need to take marks. Your marks is in float. Control C and Control V. If is okay, and then south. What is the your full name? Control C and Control V here, and then L I need to write. And after that I need to write sc dot close. I am closing the scanner class which is able to take user input. I am closing the object. Okay, so I am going to run it, going to display it. Okay, so I need to click on here. What it is saying, enter your name. I am entering our friend name, that is Sulfi. Is his roll number is, I am entering anything like 78. I'm saying, are you a student? Yes, true. Your pin code is 845423, and his mobile number is, I'm entering anything like 8757860509. Okay, and your grade is A grade. His marks is, I'm entering 98.723. Okay, he is asking enter your full name. I'm saying Subhi Singh. I'm entering. Okay, so see, you have entered your name, this one, your roll number is this one, and you are a student. Yes, true. Your mobile number is this one, and your grade is A, and your marks is in float. Okay, means in decimal. Okay, and your full name is this one. So I think you getting it all. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and just be with me. I am making uh, video or tutorial for each topic of the DSA, and I will also solve uh, in video each problem that is famous of the DSA and Java. Okay, so just be with me. You can get everything here only. And if you are trying to searching any topic, just or you want to make video on that, and then just comment it. I will make video on that for sure, for sure. Okay, so bye, thank you. Going to close.